If you're suddenly seeing pop-ups in Google Chrome or any web browser saying things along the lines of "your computer's infected," "virus detected," or ads pushing antivirus software, stop. Do not click anything. Don't click the warning, don't click scan now, and don't even click the X if it looks suspicious. These messages are almost always fake. They're designed to scare you into clicking something that can actually install real malware or steal your information. Here is what to do instead. First, close the browser completely. If it won't close, open Task Manager on Windows and end the browser task. On a Mac, you can use force quit and close the browser that way. When you reopen the browser, do not restore your previous tabs if it asks. Next, check your extensions. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right. Go to Extensions and remove anything you don't recognize and report them as abuse. Adware often hides in here. Then check your site permissions. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then Site Settings. You'll see recent activity where you can change permissions. You can also click View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. From there, find the suspicious site and delete it. That's often where they're generating those intrusive pop-ups. Finally, run a proper antivirus scan using your legitimate trusted security software. Or contact us and we'll check it for you. And remember, real antivirus companies do not send random browser pop-ups telling you that you're infected. If you're unsure, don't guess. Just get in touch. We're here to help.